Let's take a look at a fluorite powder ball press roller with high hardness material, wear and durable. The equipment can press fluorite powder into balls with high yield and hardness. Difluorite powder ball pressing machine with low energy consumption. Simple and convenient maintenance. Multi-purpose. Trifluorite powder ball press material extrusion effect is good. High pelleting rate. High pelleting strength. The roller surface of the 4-fluorite powder ball press is made of synthetic manganese steel, which has good use effect, long life, roll diameter selection range is large. The equipment can also be designed according to customer needs, roll diameter, and machine power. The double shaft reducer structure is adopted to improve the accuracy of fluorite powder. The gear adopts hard tooth face gear to improve the service performance and life of the reducer. The 6-fluorite powder ball press adopts pipeline transportation to transport the fluorite powder in the dust collector bin to the equipment storage bin. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.